Here's how to make the nation's favourite curry, chicken tikka jalfrezi. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Bang in! This curry balances heat and flavour perfectly, so you can see why this is one of the most popular British Indian restaurant style curries. Fry your onions with garlic and ginger and some salt until softened over a medium to low heat. Then add in as much fresh chilli as you can handle, followed by the spices, which are Kashmiri chilli powder, dried fenugreek leaves, and my mixed curry powder. This blend of spices is a staple of British Indian restaurants, and they each have their own recipe which gives their curry its very unique flavour. Don't panic, you can find the full recipe and method down in the caption so you can make this curry at home. Now to add our liquids. Pour in the tomato puree, which has been mixed with water, and my famous curry-based gravy. Now, if you want the recipes for the mixed powder, gravy, or chicken tikka, you can find the link to each in the caption below. It's worth getting a batch of the base gravy frozen down in portions, ready to use every time you want to make a curry at home. It's time to finish the jalfrezi. In goes the chicken tikka. Just slide it off the skewers into the sauce, add diced red peppers and some fresh tomato wedges, and then simmer for 5 minutes. At this point, check for seasoning. You may want to add some extra salt and possibly some more chilli if you like it hot. To finish this beautiful curry off, we're going to add some fresh coriander and serve with a portion of pila rice and a fluffy naan. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other British Indian restaurant style curries. You really need to try this for yourself, but trust me, this was absolutely